He figured he could get that massive tractor out safely because there was an embankment above the river. Bad calculation. Whoa, that was way too close. Just relieved the driver's okay. Every tractor chained low to the drawbar. Hook it any higher and the front end's coming up off the ground. They knew exactly what they were doing. Keeping it low, keeping it stable. In seconds, a working machine becomes scrap metal, waiting for rescue.
Pose one more time.
Little garden tractor. Big job. Way too big. It's pulling two machines that outweigh it completely, pushing harder, harder. And now, smoke's pouring out. It gave everything it had. U-650M in the woods, hauling oversized logs all day. Never stalled once. Never slipped. That's a machine you can trust. Massey 260 with a 60 horsepower Perkins engine pulling a loaded sugarcane trailer. Not the biggest tractor, but it gets the heavy work done reliably. When a John Deere pulls hard in competition, the front end comes up because all the torque transfers to the rear axles. Classic weight shift under heavy load. Tractor buried in farmland. Plow equipment too heavy to escape on its own. Stuck in the worst possible spot. Driving a tractor on snow like this takes serious skill. Not one slip, not one mistake. Perfect control the whole way through. If you enjoyed the video, drop a 1-inch the comments. Appreciate you watching. The Lamborghini is an exceptional tractor, no question about it. John Deere 6820 with a turbocharged 6.8-liter engine. Strong torque, solid mid-size workhorse. But honestly, that exhaust sound is what makes this tractor memorable. Take a stock John Deere HPX diesel, add the SFS turbo kit, and you've turned it into a drifting machine. Simple upgrade, massive difference. Four-wheel drive means nothing if the front wheels aren't touching ground. No traction, no power. The fix? Lighter load, smaller trailer. Stop overloading your machine.